Number 4, specific month. After all the gaiety and socializing of your 3-month, you will now have to get down to work. This is a month of expending much effort and reaping all the benefits thereof, so it is well worthwhile. The gallivanting may take a backseat for the present, but at the end of the month, you will be pleased at all you have been able to accomplish. Honest work and the full pouring out of effort never hurt anyone. It is the foundation from which all good things come. What you achieve now will act as the firm basis for all you wish to achieve in the future. After this foundation is laid carefully, you can continue up the ladder of success with greater knowledge and experience. Take this opportunity to sort out all your ideas and plans and concentrate only on those that you can see would conceivably bear fruit in the future. Waste no time on things that can have no permanent meaning in your life. This can apply to either business or personal life. If married, it will mean that now is the time to build solid foundations within your marriage and deepen understanding of your mate. Keep in mind that your mate will be in a different monthly vibration, and you will have to consider the traits of that month when planning your strategy to coincide with these vibrations in order to be successful. You could show your interest in the family business, help in every way you can, and try to ease the burdens of your mate. Or you could plan ahead for a new home or that vacation you've always wanted to take. Put a lot of thought into what you want out of your marriage and what means are necessary to achieve this. Then get to it with all the power you will be granted this month. Success is certain if you do, but remember that it won't come within the 4-month itself. It will be put into a savings account of sorts, the dividends of which will be paid later in the time frame slated for them. Only facts are important now. Charm and personality will not see you through as they would in other months. Concern yourself with the whys to every situation and try to work them out intelligently and unemotionally. Pinpoint specific tasks that need work and get at them, though they may be dull and boring. Go over records and see where you have made mistakes and then correct them. Meditate a bit at the outset of the month and determine where you can possibly make improvements in either your work or attitude. The corrections you make may start a new ball rolling that will pay off for you another time. Do whatever tasks you can yourself, for this is a month of tackling menial jobs on your own. Forget about hiring someone else to do them. Do it yourself. You will save money and the effort will be good for you. Guard against lethargic attitude or boredom. Though you may resent having to handle the smallest details of any project, go about it with a light heart and realize that all is necessary in the scheme of things, and from each effort, another nugget of knowledge is gained.